Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now access System. Following that, choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Rebirth. Finally, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!